guys, Kaniki here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to create this simple, affordable graduation makeup look. The super affordable primer that I'm going to recommend to you is this Quick FX Mattifier. I recommend this because it's a good mattifying primer and it's affordable as well. The foundation that I'm going to recommend in this video, it's the Maybelline Fit Me. So I like to choose lighter shade, but it's up to your preference because on my skin, foundation really oxidize. So that's why. The shade that I got is the shade 128. Sorry, I have a lot of blemishes today. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na mga best. Sometimes I prefer using flat kabuki brush. The only difference if you're going to use the flat kabuki brush is that the result is a little bit heavier and flat. But if you're going to use the sponge method, it will leave your skin healthy and skin-like texture. But since I have a lot of blemishes today, I will be using this. I don't know, my skin is acting up right now. You know, red days, a lot of skin problems will occur. Whatever is left on your brush, place it on your neck. Let's conceal and highlight na rin. So for my recommendation is the Maybelline Fit Me. I love the shade. The shade is Under Sand. The powder that I can recommend to you guys is this Nichido Ivory Glow Powder. This is my ultimate favorite powder, which is very affordable and available locally here in the Philippines. I really love baking especially the under eye area to stop the concealer from creasing and to make the makeup last long as well. And then I'm not going to lie, you know that I place a lot of powder because I'm on an oily side, so bear with me. It's super affordable, so you can splurge. Ang white na. Baka sabihin nyo multo. You can take the excess powder if you don't like, but I will bake this side here. And next, my all-time favorite brow products that I can recommend is this. This is the Etude House Brown Eyebrow Pencil, and I finished my brows always using this Nichido Brunette. If you're watching my old brow tutorial, I always start with the tail and then outline the lower part of my brows and then the upper part and then fill the inner side. Blend it with brow gel to soften a little bit. You can also use a concealer to more define this area, but today I will not do it, so I'm going to skip that one. And for our eyeshadows, I recommend this palette. This is super affordable. This is the Everbelena Pink palette. It's super pigmented, guys. I love this eyeshadow palette. The color selection is super nice, and you can also use the concealer as your eye primer, so we're going to do that today. If wala kayong eye primer na bonggang mahal, you can use this one. Make sure to blend the concealer. Then after that, you need to set it with a setting powder. We're going to use this shade as our transition color. Use a fluffy blending brush for this, just to add a little depth on our crease. If you don't have a brush, you can also use your fingers, just like this. Blend nyo lang ng konti pataas. Blend it up lang. I will be using this dark shade on my crease. Konti lang. Dito, lagay mo dito. To darken the crease area. Parang meron naman siyang maliit na dimension. Yeah. You can use the blending brush earlier, combine the colors and blend it seamlessly. Blending is the key. Blend lang. So as you can see, na-blend ko na siya. Yan. So we're going to use this one or this one. You can choose either anong gagamitin nyo. You can use your fingers. Ganon. You can use also brush to make sure that everything is well blended. Blend na naman. Blend. You can also use, if you don't have an eyeliner, you can also use this dark shade and place it in here. The mascara that we're going to use today is affordable as well. It's from Nichido Volume Mascara and water resistant. But before that, we're going to curl our lashes. See? So this color, we used it earlier in a transition. We're going to use it as well in here. Use this darker shade here. The shade that you placed on your lid, on your inner corner, to highlight the inner corner as well. Lakas lang maka-fresh. So we're done for the eyes. You can stop here, but for me, I'd love to use false eyelashes. Okay, see the difference with the lashes. With lashes and without lashes. And for our contour, we're going to use this Pop bronzer. This is a bronzer, but you can also use this as a contour powders. I want my skin to have a little bit of shimmer, so bronzer is good for me. Sorry, this is broken because my child dropped this one. Just a little bit. And for our nose, whatever is left on the brush, we can use it. And now for our lips, I'm going to use this Ever Belena liquid lipstick in the shade of Serena. And I'm going to use this as a blush as well, so tipid-tipid na. Just make sure if you're going to use this as blush, konti lang, and then you're going to blend it well lang para hindi siya ganong magiging patchy. But it's a good color as a blush. And forgot, nag-bake pala tayo kanina. Okay, so we're done with this simple, affordable graduation look. I'm going to do my hair and then I'll be back. This is it. This is the simple, affordable graduation look. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please leave all your comments down below and let me know what you think. Bye-bye. See you soon.